Cottage cheese is making a major comeback in 2025. This humble dairy product, once relegated to the back of the fridge, is now front and center in kitchens everywhere. From breakfast bowls to savory dinners, cottage cheese is being celebrated for its versatility and nutritional benefits. This once-forgotten food is now the star of the health world. Let's find out why. Fitness enthusiasts and nutritionists alike are singing its praises, and it's not hard to see why. Packed with protein and low in carbs, cottage cheese is a dream come true for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Gone are the days when cottage cheese was just for dieting. Remember the 1980s when it was a staple in every diet plan? Well, it's back, but this time with a modern twist. No longer just a bland diet food. Cottage cheese has been reinvented. Now, it's a high-protein powerhouse that's transforming everything from cookie dough to pizza crusts. High protein, low carb, super versatile. Imagine biting into a delicious cookie dough that's actually good for you, or enjoying a pizza with a crust that's both crispy and nutritious. From rich and creamy cookie dough to crispy, golden brown pizza crusts. The culinary possibilities are endless. Cottage cheese is not just a side dish anymore, it's the main event. Cottage cheese is revolutionizing the way we cook. Chefs are getting creative, incorporating it into a variety of dishes that are both delicious and nutritious. From savory to sweet, cottage cheese is proving to be a versatile ingredient that can enhance any meal. So, what's the secret? Why is cottage cheese suddenly so popular? Cottage cheese is packed with protein, low in carbs, and super versatile. It's the perfect addition to any diet, whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just eat healthier. Its creamy texture and mild flavor make it easy to incorporate into a wide range of recipes. Plus, social media can't get enough of it. Influencers and food bloggers are sharing their favorite cottage cheese recipes, and the hashtag #CottageCheese trend is going viral. 10M plus views on #CottageCheese trend. The online community is buzzing with excitement, and everyone wants to get in on the trend. Is this the food of the future? With its impressive nutritional profile and endless culinary possibilities, cottage cheese might just be here to stay. Try it for yourself and let me know in the comments. Have you jumped on the cottage cheese bandwagon yet? Share your thoughts and favorite recipes below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trending food facts. Stay tuned for more exciting food trends and culinary tips. Subscribe for more food trends. Keep exploring new and exciting ways to enjoy your favorite foods.